everyone, it's time for us to go and take a look at some of the different ways that we can go through and make our Samsung phone faster. Now, Samsung phones have a lot of cool things built in, and there's a lot of different really nice things we can do inside of our Samsung devices to make them a little bit faster. Number one, the first thing we can kind of do for the most part is to go through and use in the built-in device care application option. So inside of our settings application, we have the ability of having this little device care section, which will allow us to optimize our device. So what we can do is we can go through and we can click on that Optimize Now button. And what's going to happen is it's going to allow us to go through and kind of clean out and, clear out a lot of those different things we have going on in the background. So you can kind of go through, click on the Optimize Now button inside of Device Care, and you can essentially clean out and clear out a lot of those types of problems and issues that you might be having in the background. So that right there is going to be one of the main things that you might want to end up seeing from that particular perspective. Now, on top of that, another thing you might want to try doing here too is to go through and see if you can basically manage your memory. In that same device care panel, there's a little memory option. If you go through, you can go and tap on there. You can actually tap on the RAM Plus option, and that might give you a little bit of an advantage there from the most part as well. On top of that, if you want to, I would highly recommend also kind of toggling on the little 120 hertz option on your particular device too. On 120 hertz, your device might have, a little bit more battery life, associated with, but you will be getting a much faster type of experience from a device from that particular side as well. So that would probably end up being another one of those things I'd recommend you to do too, is just to enable 120 hertz on your Samsung device. Finally, if you really kind of want to save as much battery or, increase your performance as much as possible, you might want to go through and basically just kind of, see if you want to kind of limit some of the background applications. Inside of your device care panel, inside of battery, if you want to set up some background usage limits, there's a little option that allows you to do that. Keep in mind, if you set up too many limits, those applications won't refresh in the background. So if you're trying to get notifications or different things from those apps, then that might be an issue that you might run into there. So otherwise, those are kind of the main things you can do to pretty much, make your Samsung phone a little bit faster. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.